Last day?
Oh, it's beautiful.
You mean our last day? Yes. To live. If it is still down there, isn't he? Needle and the thread, gotta get you back. That glorious view. Still late. There. Wow. Tell all about who are you talking to? This is nice. Well, anywhere. At the tower. Is this the tower? What is this called?
I'm not going to read this place.
Height of land.
You are here.
Oh, is there two then?
This new camera on this iPhone 13 pretty deadly.
Don't tease me. My graphics suck.
Yeah, there ain't no drop it.
Hold it on with your dear life.
Shady Lake. That's what this lake is called.
What do you mean? Why are you being shady?
Oh, right there. Churchill River.
Shady lake. With all the bears, you shady bears. Sorry for the last name of bears, but holy hell, look at that height. Think I'm scared of heights? No, I'm not.
Shannon. Hello.
I would die from that if I jumped off. Hey. Who's that? You guys, thank you for watching. We're at the towers, the staff, Eagle's Nest, Quick Drive. All the green we love. Good old earth. How dare you?